We're with Brian Giles, and Brian is the Sweeper Products Manager for Elgin. And welcome, Brian. Tell us about this machine. What do we got here you're standing in front of?
Well, what we've got here is the brand new Elgin Broom Bear. Now, it looks a little like the old Broom Bear, but we've got a whole bunch of updates on it. Most importantly, it is on an absolutely new emissions. This is a 2010 Freightliner M2, so we're fully updated on emissions. Hopper, very similar to what we had before. Same, 3.5 yards usable. We've made some improvements on the side broom, and we've got some fun new pins and bushings that we're very excited about. And we've got carbon nitrided hardened pins and composite bushings to make sure that they don't stick and you don't have to throw a bunch of grease at them.
All right. What else is new on this machine?
Let's talk a little bit about our back compartment. We've got a back compartment that is similar to the old Broom Bear in that it had a nice shelf area in the back, but we've actually increased on that, and now we've got clamshell doors, so the entire back is usable. We've got broom and shovel racks that come as standard equipment.
And it's holding quite a bit of stuff right now at the trade
We've got a set of broom segments back there. We've got some the auto lube bucket up here full of grease, and we're also coming with the tool drawer, so you can put your tools back there. You can put your hydrant fill here, your hydrant wrench. You got everything you need. Because like we say, you can never have too much storage in a sweeper. I want to talk a little bit about the rear broom mechanism.
All right.
It's to anybody that's actually owned a Road Wizard, this might look very familiar. We have adapted the Road Wizard style Broom Bear mechanism to both the new Road Wizard and the new Broom Bear. It was extremely robust. People absolutely loved it. It's got to be one of the beefiest out there. So in our new project where we started to introduce these new machines, what we have really done is taken the best of breed of what we had before, because we've always had the three products. So we've taken what people really liked on all of them and added them to the new models.
And these are both new models, same name?
These are both new models, same name. They both maintain the single engine, very simple to run concept. The only thing is that they're all, of course, designed and made in Elgin, as opposed to that one coming originally from Whitkey when it was purchased, and the Broom Bear coming from 5-Star when it was purchased. So we've taken the best of breed of both of those and combined them into an Elgin developed unit. So the parts are consistent with each other, and we took the best of both worlds. What is so fun about this now is many people wish they had, particularly if they have big fleets, they have applications for the simplicity of a single, and they have applications for needing the horsepower of a dual. Well, now you've got all the same parts distributed across both of them, so you can maintain them easily, but together. So it really lets you mix your fleet now with only mixing your engine platform and not mixing your sweeper platform.
Makes sense. Is there anything else further this direction we should be seeing, or do you want to point out?
We're using the standard lift that we've had on the Broom Bear for many, many years. Very reliable, very robust. As you can see, we kind of left this one down so you can see what was going on in here. One other thing I might point out, very similar conveyor structure to the older Broom Bear, but it picked up some of the similarities from the Road Wizard. So some of the things that people liked on the Road Wizard, like the ability to multi-position the conveyor height for different application. Again, those of you who might have had a Road Wizard, that will look very familiar. But if we look at the rest of it and we see that grease take-up cylinder, well, that's just like was on the Broom Bear. So again, the concept here was best feature from the previous truck. And we've combined them all together into one.
All right, and are these currently available?
These are both currently available. This is the first time this one's being shown. In fact, this was the first line-built unit. So we're just moving out of the prototype into the production phase.
All right.
We've had the Road Wizard now available for about 6 months.
And if somebody wanted to find out more information, how would they find a website or a phone number for
Well,
you?
the website would be easy because it's just www.elginsweeper.com. And the 800 number that I don't have memorized is on the website if you want to give us a call.
Easy enough.
That's
Thanks
it.
a lot.
You bet.